Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this session, I will explain you what's new features introduced by Jio IPTV, or you can see that Jio Hybrid STV, which is built up by Mukesh Ambani Group in RIL. As per the recommendation, its advanced STV launched in India, and there is no competitor like this STV. So if you are interested to watch the complete session and wants to know what advanced features are available in Jio STV, please be available from start to end of this tutorial so that you will learn what all additional features they are presenting or they are coming up with the latest era. So before starting with this, myself Deepak Rai, creating sessions on techie topics. Here we begin with the actual session. As I already said, it's advanced STV or hybrid setup box which contains several features which is not available in India. We can see that there are different types of STV or IPTV technologies also available in the market, but they are sharing their features. But Jio is come up with the complete package. So let's see what all advanced features are available here. So this is the first ever Android box in India, which contains 9.0 Android version. No ever STV is available in India which contains latest Android build, that is 9.0. Even if you can consider many of the setup box like Motorola and other providers like Airtel, so not a single setup box contains the latest Android version, that is 9.0. It also comes up with the support for video calling or video conferencing and gaming apps. Several setup box or IPTV is available in the market which contains the gaming apps, but not a single setup box is available with video conferencing or video calling feature inbuilt in setup box. So as you can see here, this is the main home page of screen. Here left panel contains the data and the bottom panel will have actual image or PIP image. So if you don't know about the PIP image, please watch my previous session, else I will mention in comment section about their links. So let's move this. Is as you can see here, the setup box looks like this. It's in black in color, which is having smart TV appliances. So let's see what all components are available in the setup box. Jio Hybrid setup box making an appearance in news reports like Jio Fiber's IPTV TV without RF input, and it contains or it will require to connect with the Ethernet or through Wi-Fi. So once I will connect the through Wi-Fi or internet, that setup box is only functional. Otherwise, if you don't have the internet facility or not having working internet facility, then definitely this box will not boot up. IPS TV STV appears nothing like other Jio products we have seen in the past, despite it flaunting Jio's branding. STV is black in color, as I've already said, and has the Jio branding. As per the report, the new IPTV STV looks like the Roku Ultra, but Roku Ultra does not contain the calling facility. Here we have the calling facility as well as other features, that is gaming. In Roku Ultra we do have the gaming facility as well, but in comparison to less, and Roku Ultra is having lower Android version. Smart streaming box, in terms of software, it contains or comes running Android 9.0 and comes pre-installed with the streaming apps and gaming apps like Jio Games. Let's see about the technical specification. It device has an RJ45 port of Ethernet wire connection with the Jio Fiber modem. So if you will buy Jio Fiber with STV, you will get 1 year complete package. Package detail you can check it from their websites. There is an HDMI port to connect with the STV or TV set. STV also comes with a USB port for connecting external devices. There is also a 3.5 mm audio out jack and 12 volt DC power supply for powering the STV. There is no RF input, as I already mentioned in the beginning. Input port for DTH or cable connection. The report also takes a lead of remote control having voice enable facility. So once you want to speak up, just like if I want to play any program, I will keep remote in front of my mouth and speak about that program. Just like if I want to watch Pi movie, then I will speak up Pi movie and that movie will be available on my screen. So that is also again advanced feature. Not a single STV is available with this facility in India. It also supports the universal remote function to control TV at the report. What all functional features are available in the Jio devices? First is TV video calling. As I've already said, it is having TV video calling features. Device is having India's own TV video calling and conference calling facilities. Video calling feature includes Jio Call apps for seamless, lag-free video conference on your smartphone. If you want to have a call on your TV itself, that is also very much possible. It will directly tune with your set-top box and you can make a conference call on wider screen. Free international call video calls straight from our TV. With Jio TV camera, you can make high quality video calls. Second and most important feature, that is home networking. Jio has focused on various components and come up with the one solution, that is Jio STV, and they want to capture the whole India customer base. Because of that, they have come up with some advanced feature, that is hybrid IPTV, or you can say that hybrid STV. You can also say that it is smart TV, which is having each and every functionality in detail, or you can use it as per your requirements. Home networking is a free and easy way to access all your content, just like photos, music, video and documents across devices anywhere in the world. Some details you can see here. So first is simply connect your hard drive to the Jio Home Gateway or Jio STV and access your files anytime, whenever using the Jio Home app. Sync your personal photos onto the Photos app and watch it on your TV. Just like if you are sitting together inside your home with your complete family, then and you want to recollect your memory of any trip, you can play your photos or images on the wide screen. Everyone can watch that and recollect that image by their own. Share your music easily across all devices at home through Jio Home. Just like at an event or party, you can play your music on your screen with your mobile device. Third feature is TV Plus, having several advanced capability of video on demand, movies, TV shows, favorite applications. Jio 4K set-top box provides a good quality video 4K experience. Airtel has also launched 4K video applications or IPTV, but that will not contain these type of feature like video calling or weather report, or you can say that gaming app. So it will also contain the live content through your IPTV or through your internet. There are various applications are available. You can launch that application like Now TV, Hotstar. You can watch any of the live content by using these apps. These apps are basically called as an on-demand apps. Fourth one is weather report. If you want to check weather report of any city or any location, you can view it by using this, by using your IPTV or STV. Fifth feature is that if you miss any part of your program, you can rewind back and watch it at any point of time. Additional feature, that is remote voice command. If you don't want to switch the channel and you want to navigate any channel or launch any program through your voice, it's very much easy in Jio TV. Just pick up the program name or event name. That program will be available on your screen within fraction of second. So it will not take time. So just like changing channel is definitely take time as compared to the voice. It's totally dependent on your bandwidth or network connection. Security and surveillance. So Jio TV has these facility to capture your home or to cover up your home with some security devices. Like you can enable it Jio safety and surveillance solution always from home safe access CCTV footage on cloud with all the cameras or from your device. It contains the high resolution video with the complete coverage of your home. You can also set up from your outdoor location, just like from the window or from your main gate. And the final component is gaming. So it come up with the mixed reality based gaming feature, redefine your gaming experience, possible to operate through mobile devices with zero latency gaming console. So this is all about the advanced features come up with the Jio IPTV. If you really want to go ahead with this, definitely it's recommended to use that because of its advanced feature available in the market of Indian industries. So let's recap this. We have started with the features of Jio. Then we have discussed about what all technical specifications are there. Then we have go through about all the functionality features like TV Plus. Second is remote voice calling. Third is gaming facility, that is advanced one, video conferencing, and several other components are also available which will conclude that it's a complete set of package. You don't want to go anywhere else because it is having facility of integration of your mobile application as well. So if in your home you are having 5 members and everyone wants to watch different program, they will definitely connect with the Jio and with the mobile app and they can watch their own program. If anyone wants to play images on their Jio TV, definitely they will go ahead with this, and from mobile devices they will operate changing the images or scrolling. So this is all about the new components or new features available in the Jio TV. Hope you like it, and if you have new thoughts or you want to include some more points, please comment into comment sections. Thank you. See you again in the next sessions. Bye.